Now this right here, sit, is Atta. If y'all remember Atta, she had about 5 months of training last year. I just got her in. We're doing a tune-up. We're going to continue her education. She's owned by Dennis Bayles, and I absolutely love this little gal to death. I sure do. Yes, sir. All right, sit, sit, sit. Now what I'm fixing to do, sit, is I'm going to throw her a poison bird off this big levee, and we've got a blind that way about 145 yards. Nothing major. Mark. Hidden. Sit. Good deal. I'm not going to shoot on these. Here. Sit. Mark. No. Here. 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 No. Here. Sit. Dead bird. Good. No. Back! Holy smokes. I almost say she just lined that sucker. Good girl. She held a real good line and everything right off the levee. It's amazing how quick a dog will tune up. Good dog. Here. Come on, Atta. Now, can you remember where that mark is? Sit. Get it? I don't think so. Here. 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 Atta. Run it up, girl. She's got a long hunt. I'd been throwing, that mark was only about 60 yards, and she ran all the way over it. So, oh boy. Over. Over. Now, all right, good girl. Now, I'm gonna have to say something right here. She has been having issues on her memory bird. Sit, good girl. And what I just didn't help her whatsoever. But you gotta work poison birds. So what I'll do with Atta is, because her memory birds, is she's gonna get a lot of doubles. But she just drove past that spot. And now when you do a lot of 150, 180 yard marks, 200 yard marks, whatever, when you do a lot of those marks and then you come back and you throw a bird a 60 yarder going off a hill as a memory bird, they're going to drive out past it, go into cover and hunt. Now what I didn't like was she ended up over here wanting to go back to an old fall or where she picked up a bird, and that's a no-no. So that's why we get them back in, and that's why we continue our training. So I'm extremely pleased in her line to her blind. She did a really, really good job there. I'm proud of you, girl. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just keep it up, and we're going to have to throw her a lot of doubles and get her marking back up to snuff. Ain't nothing to it.